week on a very positive note. It's a truncated week for us. Tomorrow is a public holiday on back of Gandhi Jayanti. But let's see what the markets are doing today. Positive moves coming in from both the benchmark indices, Sensex as well as Nifty. Both surging in trade today, upwards of 1% each. Nifty is nudging towards the 11,400 mark. But let me take you to the stocks that are buzzing in trade today. And first up, it is the cinema chains, there are multiplexes that are surging in trade. Both PVR as well as Inox were up over 15% each intraday. The government under Unlock 5.0 has allowed theatres and multiplexes to reopen from October 15th with up to 50% of seating capacity. On back of that, PVR gained most in 17 weeks. You had Inox Leisure that was up most since September 2011. If you see PVR and Inox Leisure, both are up for a second straight session this week alone, or rather in the last 5 trading sessions. You have PVR that is gained over 25%. Meanwhile, Inox Leisure is up 15% in the last 5 trading sessions. You have movie distributor UFO Movies also that is gaining in trade today, seeing gains of over 7% in trade on back of the similar news flow. Double W on the D Street today. You had Chemcon Specialty Chemicals as well as you had CAMS, that is your computer age management services that listed on the bourses. Both of them saw stellar listing. You had Chemcon Specialty that opened trading at about 731 rupees per share versus an issue price of 340 rupees per share, whereas CAMS listed at 1,518 rupees per share on BSE versus an issue price of 1,230 rupees per share. So both the stocks have come off their opening highs, but definitely good listing for both of these counters. Auto companies, good set of September sales. Most of these companies have actually gone ahead and beat estimates as well. That's why you're seeing good up move coming in the auto players today. You have Bajaj Auto that's seen the biggest intraday percentage gain since May 11th on back of strong September sales. They beat estimates as well. Ditto is for Maruti Suzuki. They've climbed to the highest level since September 21st. Maruti logged a 31% jump in their September sales figure. This is on back of strong demand coming in for their mini and compact cars. Bajaj Auto, like I said, they beat estimates. They saw 10% uptick on their September sales. Apart from that, you have M&M. Their auto sales saw a decline on a year-on-year basis, but their tractor sales saw an uptick of about 17%. Escorts also came out with their numbers. 9.2% is the increase that they saw in the September sales, but the stock is declining because it did not manage to beat the estimate. It lagged the estimate, so that's why Escorts is down in trade. Domestic gas price has been reduced. On back of that, you have a couple of stocks that are reacting. So you have MGL as well as IGL. Both of them are gaining in trade today. You have Mahanagar Gas that's up for 4% and it snapped its 2-day losing streak. Meanwhile, IGL is up over 3%. The government has lowered the domestic gas price to $1.79 per MMBTU from $2.39 per MMBTU. Moody's Investor Services has said that this reduction in the domestic natural gas prices is actually credit negative for ONGC as well as Oil India, and that is why both these counters are declining in trade. PNB is nearest 52-week low after the bank has declared its exposure to 1,203 crore rupees of Syntex Industries as a fraud. The lender said that the fraud fraud reporting pertains to their Ahmedabad zonal office and it has been reported to the RBI. So these are the stocks that are moving in trade today.